Hello everyone, my name is Hisham. I'm the owner of Clemson Aeronautics, where we make the riveting and dimpling systems. So call us up to order yours or to ask any questions that you might have. If you have been following me on YouTube uh, with our riveting and dimpling system, you would know that I've been using the regular pneumatic squeezer that I got from Cleveland Aircraft Tools, and it goes on here. I had a few customers that called me, asked me about the pneumatics system and if it would work on our machine. Well, it installed and it appears to be working very well. And it has some very good advantages to it, especially in the riveting department. But what I done is I wanted it to be included on my cart. So I made some temporary fixes to mount it on my cart so I can still move it. So I kind of clamped it down here and made an area for the foot pedal here, and so I can still move it back and forward the way I want to, and just made temporary tapes and so forth so I can be able to use it today to do the left skin that I mentioned before that I'm saving to demonstrate the pneumatics system. Just like the other system, it goes on well, and just hooked up the air to the back. And now we're gonna get set up to do the left skin of the rudder, and we'll be right back. One more note that I would like to make. If you purchase our system and you built a cart for it like we did, and you have the pneumatics system, you'll be able to fasten it to the cart in the way that would make you comfortable. Then when you are using it by hand, you can just undo it from our system and you'll have the hose free. And you can take the cart around your garage or your shop near where you want to work and just plug the air to it then. So you don't have to move any of the stuff down here, any of the equipment that runs the system. You just have to undo it from here and just put a yoke on it and work with it that way. And when you're done, you can place it back on there to use it for something else. Now is the test, and I'm trying it for the first time on a real airplane part. This is the left skin of the rudder on my airplane. It is perfect. The only problem is that I did not take the cover off of the other side. So I'm gonna have to do that and start again. And now I peeled some of the covering from the other side and I'm starting it again. And let's check it one more time. Beautiful. I think that will work out just fine. Well, folks, this is it for the dimpling, with the exception of the 5 holes that we got over here. I will just get that with the yoke and the squeezer. I think it worked very well. I have to work on a little bit more comfort than standing on one leg to operate it. I have the foot pedal a little bit off the ground, and that is kind of not a good thing. So I have to work something where I can have it on the ground so it'll be easier to manipulate. But other than that, the dimples look great. Everything looks perfect. And the pneumatics system appeared to be working very well with our system. Next step was to clean it up and with alcohol propyl and prime it. And tomorrow we'll be doing some riveting of the stiffness to the skin using the pneumatics system. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.